There are times I look back and wonder if I made the right decision. Welcome to part 7. Alright, I got my 45-degree hose. That should fit right up in here. Right onto the coolant tank. And then right up here on the radiator. Now we're going to install the KW version 2 shocks in the rear. Alright, after you remove the shock, the suspension will drop real low. I had to disconnect the panhard bar. Popped out my CV axle because I'm going to be replacing the seal in there. And then these springs just come right out. And we'll pop the liner out of here. And then we'll get to that top shock mount. And since they use an 18 millimeter down there, of course they're going to use a 17 millimeter up here. Because why not make you get every tool you own out? Just for the record, that there is the brake vacuum pump. And I can tell by looking at it, it's a dual piston. Because it's kind of loud when it's recharging. Someday I may upgrade that to a vane type. But we'll get to that some other day. So for now, I've got these nice KW springs. We're going to set this adjuster all the way loose. Pop that in there. And I got the shock absorbers. Looks like we got to do some spacers. And at the top, I guess they have double rubber mounts, whereas this factory one up there just had a single. But these do have the 16-way adjustable rebound, so that's going to be really nice. I got the driver's side KW shocks and springs in. And here's a shot of the wiring I did for the rear fan. Comes right out of the factory grommet. Up through there and down to the fans. You'll never really see that, but I always do a quality job. Okay, we're working on the air conditioning lines, and got to give Mercedes some kind of credit or not. There's 3 different ways they attach AC lines. You have the kind that are clamped in that can just come right out. You have other ones that are fully encapsulated but free to move around. Then you have the kind that are fully welded and can't go anywhere. I have to make all of mine open like this. So now I got to cut that one. I need to save this bracket, but the line I can get rid of, so I'm just going to destroy it, drill it out, save the bracket. More fun. So I got these 180-degree lines. I got to cut these nuts off. And use these clamps and hold that onto the condenser at the back of the car. Okay, I got the part of the rear bumper taken back off just for access. And I got the 45-degree hose back in there. Worked out really well. Now we got these AC lines where I chopped up this fitting here so I could get the hose out. So now I have a dual relief clamp, and I have these two 180 lines. So the idea, it's going to be tight. That'll go like that. You get the idea. That'll go like this. I'll just have to figure out how to snake them up over the pump. Just like that. Okay, I just got another order in. Got the gussets for the bumper front mount, the steering box mount plate, gussets for the front bumper again. These are going to be the plates to pull it off the front. These are my motor mount plates. Match the template. So I'll get this going on. Get that mounted to that engine. And get that over there into the car. One reason I keep using Oshkosh, they come back with some perfect parts. Look at this finish. Straight off their laser. Can't even get a good shot. Completely just so flawless. Beautiful parts. I just haven't had time to get to it, but this one's going to bolt in to the motor there, and that'll locate the sprocket to the differential. And then this plate will just kind of sit right in here like that. So in the next video we'll be getting the engine mounted, making more progress. Thank you for watching.